I'm Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Vice-Chancellor of World University of Design. I'm very happy to be here at the launch of GenLEAP. I come from a design university, and design is an aptitude which a lot of students, even today, not to talk of all the ages we have gone through, they search within themselves if they have an aptitude for design. Today we get students who say, I want to do fashion, it attracts me, but I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can, because I can't draw, but I like it. And do I have an aptitude? How do I test it? So this kind of questions is something which we are dealing with every day. And since design field is now opening up, and we're dealing with fashion and interior and product and architecture and visual arts and design management and a lot of things, UI, UX and everything which is coming up. Such a wide array requires a little more in-depth understanding of the aptitude which a person may be having about these. With GenLEAP kind of technologies becoming available for the future generation of budding designers, for me, these are people who are going to really have a very easy time trying to fine-tune their aptitude and being able to find their way into the mesh which is facing them.